What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I finally got my replacement bag from PSI. It's been a little over 2 weeks. Very depressing the last few weeks. Why? Because every day I get to look at these cars that are just stuck here, can't even move. So today we're gonna pull off that right front suspension and replace this bag. We got the replacement bag right here. I've never replaced these before, so we're gonna go find out together. I'm pretty sure it's a little bit different than the airlift one. I think the airlift one's a little bit more complicated to do so, but we're gonna see how this is. So if you guys saw the video of what happened to my bag, I had a defective bag and it was leaking air on the top seal area right here. So after we pull it out, we're just gonna go ahead and see and check it out. So yep, it was leaking this top one right here. Hold on, it doesn't even look like it's the same bag. I think I gotta check that. They look a little bit different. Dude, I don't think these are the slim bags at all. What in the world? I'm about to message them and find out, but whether or not this hasn't come out, so I just compare them when they're out, but they don't look the same. The ones that are on the car looks a little bit slimmer. Let's see, yeah, it's crazy. Okay, so they just confirmed that it should be good, but I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but the new one kind of looks fatter, so I feel like it should be slimmer because they're supposed to be slim bags. But let's just install it because I need to get this on the road. So I don't know where it was leaking from on the top, but it was leaking right here somewhere on the seal. So I'm just gonna pull off this top hat camber plate right here. Got a 17. Just gonna go ahead and pull this off. So we got this off. Save this in the right spot. So we got 2 washers and another right here. So not sure how this goes, but they said it should just pull off. Honestly, I don't know. Like, am I supposed to loosen the collar? Loosen the collar down maybe and bring it up. Yeah, so inside the thread, it does look like the collar would go in there. So I don't know. I'll just try to take it off from the collar. So as I figure out how to take this off, it's pretty tight in there. But I'm already also noticing that the part numbers on top is different, or numbers in general. This one says P09182. That's currently what they first sent me, and this new one is P09505. So I'm telling them it's different. Like, you can, I don't know if this new bag stretches or not, but it's definitely shorter. So I don't know if this screws on and stretches and becomes a little bit taller, but they keep saying everything's right, it's up to the engineers, but really my car can't sit another 2.5 weeks. This is crazy. So I have to try to see if this works, but if it doesn't, if it's not the same, I can't run 2 different size bags. It's just not gonna work like that. I would think I would have to run different PSI settings on both, and if this one is fatter, then with these 86 cars, you know, I believe the bag's supposed to be as slim as possible because you don't want that wheel rubbing. So I don't know, we're gonna figure out how to take this off, put this on, see how it looks, but as of right now I'm just waiting for the PSI engineers to get back to me because, dude, even if they have to send me another one, that's another 2.5 weeks. Can't wait that long. So right now we loosened both of the collars and started spinning this off, but let's just see how it looks. So we got the one spinning in now, the replacement. It's totally off in the height, so I don't know what you guys think, but like maybe I have to adjust this collar higher, or you know, so it sits about the same height as this one, but that's the only thing I can think of.
Yeah, I'll just keep going till this bottoms out.
So unless they count me some money and I buy some airlift bags in the front real quick, but other than that, dude, these cars have been down forever. I feel like it's forever, dude. So one way to do is test it out. So we got the replacement bag on here. So it did extend longer as we were threading it in. So I guess we're gonna give it a try to see, but just hopefully everything works fine. You know, it's just these part numbers are the one that's getting us right now, but we have no choice. We gotta run it. So we got this on now. We're gonna throw on the 2 washers back on first. Then we got this fitting that's gonna fit in between of the camber plate. So this is gonna go on now. And put the camber plate on. See it? Fits right in between it. And you got the nut. I'm gonna bolt this on now, but leave it loose because I still have to adjust it to fit into the area it's gonna get bolted on. So that's it. It's on here. I'll just loosen it a little bit. Loose. And then it's done. We changed the bag on the PSI. I mean, it looks about right now. Hopefully it works. We're gonna install and do the fitment tomorrow, and then we'll go from there. You guys want to stay tuned because I'm dropping the wheel, dropping the wheels I have, the fitment, and everything bagged on this next vlog. So stay tuned. I'm out.